and welcome back to Liana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for butternut and lentil soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. I really love adding split red lentils to the soup as they thicken it up really well, and they're also a great source of protein, so they help you feel fuller for longer. So start by adding a quartered onion and 2 cloves of garlic, and then you can optionally saute it. I don't tend to saute so much in the soup maker these days, but I thought I would for this recipe. Add a little oil or butter first, and then add the onion and garlic. Put the lid on and press the chop function. The chop function will run for 12 seconds. Then press the saute button. The program runs for 5 minutes and you have to keep the lid on, but I do tend to take the inner lid out so that the moisture can escape. While it's sautéing, you can prepare the butternut squash by removing the skin and then chopping it up into small chunks. Alternatively, you can use pre-prepared or frozen butternut squash to cut down on the preparation time. Add all the chopped squash to the soup maker jug, followed by the split red lentils. Next, add the spices. I've added half a teaspoon each of cumin, ginger and cinnamon. Then add a tin of coconut milk, or you could use half a tin for a less coconutty flavour. If you do use less coconut milk, then add a little more stock to make up for it. I used vegetable stock. I had room for about 600 millilitres of made up stock. Put the lid on and select the smooth setting. The programme will run for 30 minutes, finishing with a final blend to get it nice and smooth. If at the end the consistency is too thick for you, you can add a little more stock or water to thin it out. Then give it a little taste test and add any extra seasoning if you want to. And that's it. A really tasty butternut and lentil soup made in the soup maker. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to check out Liana's Kitchen for more soup maker recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.